Hey everyone, Caesar asked me to make this screencast to show you how to fill out the union membership card. So you need to find the email that Caesar sent. It was from July 3rd. It says, "Our time is now." And then he has included two attachments. So you want to open the one that says Denver membership application and dues. And it should open up like this. And you want to open it with a PDF opener. So I think Lumen PDF is the one that is included just on Google Chrome. So that's the one that I'm using. It might ask you for permission to open or like to use your Google Drive. So just have to say like connect or give permission. I've already done that, so it didn't pop up on mine. And then when it loads, so when you load it with Lumen, all you have to do, like it's ready to go, you just have to click and type. Just fill out the entire first section here. And then I think the tricky part is just the signature. So you want to add a signature, you're going to click this sign button up here and then click new signature. I think it's easiest to do the type one. So I clicked sign type and I type my name. You can choose your signature font and click save. Then just plop your signature right there. Make sure you fill out the date. Then I just went to download. You could also go to print and save it as a PDF. Then you're going to want to save it to like your desktop or your documents, wherever you want to. I'm just going to save mine to the desktop. Then once you've done that, you can reply to Caesar's email and just attach that PDF that you just filled out. Pretty simple. If you're having a hard time, I'm happy to help. Just I guess comment and I can help you out. But that is all that I did to fill mine out. It didn't take very long, so hopefully you don't have any issues with it either.